Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a while. This is the Honor 90 5G smartphone. I've been spending some time with it, so let's take a look. First off, we start with a quick unboxing. It's just a simple white box with Honor 90 branding in silver metallic. And yeah, this is the 512GB model with 12 gigs of RAM. So that's a lot of storage and a lot of RAM. As you can see, this is the device. This specific color is really pretty. It's called diamond silver. And then also in the box, yeah, you've just got this cover thing, and then a SIM ejecting tool or SIM pin, and then a gel cover, which is always super nice to get included in the box, so you have protection from the start. And then you've got a USB Type-C cable, USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. And this specific charging brick is a super fast charger. It's a 66-watt charger, but it was not for my region. Anyway, moving on to the design, you can see that the phone is super stunning. Honestly, it's a very eye-catching, slim, smartphone. Got a USB Type-C port at the bottom, your volume rocker and power button on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side you've got no buttons whatsoever. There is a triple camera setup on the rear, which is quite distinguished, and it's absolutely stunning. The screen size is at 6.7 inches. It's an AMOLED screen that can offer up to 1 billion colors, and yes, it is a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone comes in midnight black, emerald green, and this diamond silver, which has this little bit of grain at the bottom half of the rear of the phone. Features for security that I always make use of is your under display optical fingerprint sensor, which is super awesome. And then also I love an always on display, so let's just take a look at that. It's very highly customizable. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is super fast, and the always on display is highly customizable. There's pre-installed designs, and I just played around to show you an example of how you can actually customize it to your liking and or personalize it as to what you want. There's a bunch of stickers to select, and of course you can change the fonts as well as the text color. And now it's time to look at internals. This phone runs Android 13 on Honor's own UI, which is called Magic OS 7.1. The chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, the accelerated edition with a 4nm chip. And then of course you've got your, as mentioned earlier, it's 512 gigabytes of onboard storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. You've also got a 5000 mAh battery, which would last you pretty long. So far it lasted me just under 2 days, I would say 1.5 days, which is excellent. And yeah, the phone also has NFC. The phone has a 120Hz refresh rate as mentioned, but it is dynamic, so it adapts or changes depending on which app you use. I'm not really a fan of very busy wallpapers. I like a wallpaper that makes use of the screen and actually showcases the beauty of the display, and this phone definitely comes with a very nice user interface. I have to mention that the Magic OS, I enjoy the widgets, the wallpapers that are built in with the phone, and yeah, overall I just think that the user interface is very clean, very simple, and very nice to use. So since using the phone, I definitely had a few small updates. If you want to access your notifications and your control center, if you pull from the top right of the screen down, you'll get your control center, which has your torch, your vibrations, your auto rotate, your screenshot, and many different options. And then also on the left you'll get your notifications. There is a Google, this is an Android phone, so obviously if you swipe to your left on the home screen, you will also be able to see your Google feed. If you are familiar with an Android phone or on a phone or even a Huawei phone, you just pinch to edit or personalize your home screen and your widgets, and as you can see, you can edit the wallpaper, your cards, you can add transitions or just access your home screen settings. And now of course we have to get to the main attraction of the smartphone, the cameras. So this phone has a triple camera setup, a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel depth sensor for that added bokeh, and then a 50 megapixel selfie camera. And honestly, the camera is something I really did not expect to perform the way it does.
There's your portrait mode, your night modes, you can control your aperture manually, and just the post-image processing capabilities of this camera is absolutely amazing. Every single photo I've shown here has no edits, and you can check it out all on my social media pages. Unedited images, selfie, rear, all unedited, amazing night shots. This phone for a mid-range or upper mid-range segment offer is an excellent purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on my social media handles. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.